In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change any notification sound for any app on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off we need to head over to settings, and on the settings, first of all, we need to check our current iOS version, because changing any notification sound on an iPhone is quite new Apple feature, and you need to have iOS 17.2 installed on your device. So to check your current iOS version, head over to General and then tap Add Software Update, and after a while it will show you your current iOS version. In my case it is 17.2.1. However, if you get older version, that's where you can get the latest iOS update. Once it is done, on settings, we need to head over to sounds and haptics. And then if we scroll down a bit, we can find that options. That's where we can change different ringtone, and also that's where we can set notification alerts for text tone, voicemail, mail, calendar, and reminders. But what about all the other apps? iOS 17.2 gives us that default alerts option, where we can configure a notification sound for any other applications except that one. All you have to do is just select a notification tone from that list in that way, and basically that's it. After that, you can just close the settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.